Hello everybody. The stock market, the tariffs, there's the kind of the end of globalization as we know it. The stock market has collapsed in the last week to levels comparable to the Great Depression, some people are saying. Now, the people who have lost the most money over the last, say, 3 months on the stock market have been the super wealthy. As just an average American, Australian, British person, this is your opportunity to capitalize on it and get in underneath. This is your chance to buy stocks, buy something. I don't recommend you buy gold. I think gold has already been on a big run for the last year. I had some scammer in the comments from a family that owns gold mines trying to tell me that, oh, you don't know what you're talking about, which is evidence that I triggered them. This is your chance. The people who have lost the most money have been billionaires and the super wealthy, the elite. There's been a massive collapse, and don't buy the hype. Don't stay out of it. If you have some cash on the side, this is your chance to get underneath them and take a bit of their market share. You know, what I'm thinking is happening is, Trump does have a bit of an issue with the swamp, as he puts it, and the super wealthy. And this does kind of weaken them big time. It weakens their ability to manipulate the political system in the United States, because the United States, it's a plutocracy. If you have cash, you have the ability to control the political environment in the United States. Now, what happened, and there's a great video of Nancy Pelosi that was released recently. I saw it online, where back in the 80s, she was talking about tariffs on China, and she was talking about how jobs were leaving the United States because of the tariffs that China was putting on the United States. Since then, what happened is those wealthy businesses that were going abroad, they were taking their cash out of the United States, the factories, the technology, stealing it from the American people, and they were sending it to China. They got mega rich. And then they went back to the Nancy Pelosi's of the United States and turned the United States into a plutocracy controlled by the mega wealthy globalists. This is where that cash came from. This is why they're able to control the United States. Those people have lost a large percentage of their wealth over the last 3 months, not only because of the tariffs, but multiple reasons. And so this is your opportunity to get in. Now, what I think is going to happen is, let's talk about rates. About 12 months ago, Jerome Powell, he went on 60 Minutes, and it looked like a hostage negotiation to me. He went on 60 Minutes 12 months ago and basically was scared because they were going to force him into lowering interest rates 12 months ago. And so he reached out to the general public by going on 60 Minutes. You can Google it, go check out that video if you want. He's had 12 months. Things have changed. Last Friday, Trump started tweeting and truthing and calling for Jerome Powell to lower interest rates. What happened was, since then, Jerome Powell didn't respond. He actually did a bit of a meet and greet and had a Q&A, and he seemed very chill. Jerome Powell seems very happy right now. This is the chairman of the Federal Reserve, and he seems very, very happy that he can blame Donald Trump for inflation, and therefore he doesn't have to lower interest rates. Now, Jerome Powell is not only under pressure by Donald Trump, but all of the mega wealthy that control the United States. Now, they say there's 30% chance that in 3 weeks' time they're going to lower interest rates. Whether they're going to do that or not, stocks are going to start flying. whether it happens now or whether it happens in June, there's 90% chance, according to some of the pundits out there, that we're going to get a rate cut in June. This is your chance to get in before then. This is a chance. The stock market only goes up over time, and it's so far down. Inflation's going to go skyrocketing in 2026. Things are going to get out of control. This is kind of your chance. If you aren't part of the feudal system in Australia and you don't have property, then what else are you going to buy, right? I think Bitcoin has one more run left this year. It's down as well. There's a great opportunity there. Gold has already had its bull run. The S&P 500 back in 2021 started collapsing for 4 years, basically. It took 4 years to get back to the same point. It might take multiple years for the S&P to get back to where it should be. And this is your chance to get in low and take advantage of those moves. So I just wanted to make this video again and let you guys know that China's retaliation against the United States isn't as dangerous as the tariffs going on China, because China's exporting to the United States. Just keep that in mind. China's retaliation, they might have to get creative in another way. We don't know exactly how they're going to do that, but S&P 500's down. This is your chance to get in. It's a great opportunity as far as I'm concerned. And you've got next month or June before they start lowering interest rates and things start taking off again. You know, buy on red candles. Buy low, sell high. It's down. This is an opportunity. And there's not many people out there actually telling you this. The mega wealthy have lost most of their cash. This is your chance to get in and take some of their cash for once. And you know how much I hate wealthy, scumbag, parasitic, feudal system people. This is your chance to get in, take some of their cash by getting in low, because they were holding to the bottom. Anyway, have a nice day, and hope you guys get rich in the next 12 months before the inflation gets out of control. There's a lot of things happening, and that's why I'm making videos again, because there's a lot of things happening that I want to report on. See you guys in the next video.